Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making, as you can see by the title, green banana or fig pie. In Canada we tend to call it fig pie. So let's go. So guys, I'll be chopping up or dicing up 4 pimentos and 2 onions for a white sauce that I'll be making to add to the banana later on in the video. So after we finish cutting the pimentos, we are about to cut the 2 onions. A nice little tip, my cutting board tends to slide on my counter, so I place the kitchen towel under the board to prevent it from sliding. You can try it if you like. It tends to come in handy when I'm using this particular cutting board. So guys, after you finish cut up the pimentos and the onions, we move on along to mashing the green bananas, right? I can't recall how long I have boiled them for, but boil them until they are tender, so they'll be easy to mash. I'll be adding approximately 3 cups of cheese to the green banana and setting that aside to work on my white sauce. When you finish mixing the cheese and the green banana together, we are moving along to the white sauce, right? I'll be adding approximately 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter, and melting it down, and I will incorporate 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, and the pimento and onions that we chopped up earlier on. So guys, after we finish sauteing the onions, pimentos and garlic for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of flour just to thicken up the sauce a little bit. Right? You don't want it too thick because you don't want the pie to come out too dry. Next, I'll be adding 2 packs of carnation milk, as you can see in the background. Right? I'm not sponsored by Nestle or anything. This is just my preferred ingredient to use because of flavor. As I said from before guys, you don't want the sauce too thick, so you keep stirring it and checking the consistency of it. Right? I'll be adding parsley, salt and black pepper to this mix. Alright, although you see me shaking the parsley bottle currently, a lot, don't worry, I'll just add about a teaspoon of parsley because mine is almost finished. Be generous with your salt because the green bananas tend to be a little bitter, right? So don't add too much of salt, but let's be generous with it, right? I'll be adding the mixture into the banana that I set aside earlier on, right? And just mixing everything together. So guys, you make sure and incorporate, mix everything well, right? From here we'll be adding it to a grease dish, right? I grease my dish with Kerrygold butter, as I said from before, because of flavor, right? And you just place everything inside the dish and spread it out evenly. After you spread the mixture evenly in the dish, I'll be adding 2 cups of cheese to the pie. According to the size of pie you're making, you can just add more or less accordingly, right? Let's make sure the whole pie is covered. I'll be also sprinkling some parsley on top for the garnish and extra flavor. When you're finished, place the pie in a preheated oven, temperature of 400 degrees Celsius, right? And let it bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until the cheese is golden brown to the top. And there you go guys, your very own homemade green banana pie. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and look out for more videos in the future. Thank you.